Welcome back to Product Critique, the home of real, in-depth product breakdowns you can trust. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best unsanded white 10 pounds grout on the market, the Mapei Keracolor Unsanded Grout. Let's start with the basics. If you're working on a tile project, especially with delicate surfaces like glass, polished stone, or marble, you need a grout that won't scratch. Unsanded Grout is your go-to, and Mapei's Keracolor U takes it a step further. This is a premium-grade, polymer-modified, cement-based unsanded grout, formulated specifically for narrow joints, typically less than 1/8 inch. Now, let's talk about performance. This grout mixes smoothly and spreads evenly. That means you won't be fighting lumps or gritty texture when you're applying it between your tiles. It's got a fine consistency that makes it perfect for vertical surfaces like backsplashes or shower walls, where you want precision without sagging. One of the biggest highlights is the color consistency. This specific model we're looking at today is in frost. Basically a very clean, neutral white tone that complements just about any tile color, especially if you're aiming for a clean, modern finish. Whether you're going for subway tiles in the kitchen or marble in the bathroom, this grout holds its tone after drying, resisting patchy or uneven coloring, which is a common headache with lesser quality grouts. Another advantage is its durability. Mapei Keracolor U includes water-repellent properties and resists common issues like cracking and powdering over time. Once cured, it forms a dense, hard body that stands up to moisture without crumbling apart. That's a game-changer, especially in bathrooms or other wet areas. Ease of cleanup is another plus. After application, a damp sponge is usually enough to remove excess without leaving a haze over your tiles, provided you follow the timing guidelines. And let's be honest, when you're juggling a DIY project or even working professionally, saving that extra cleanup time is huge. When it comes to mixing, you can use it straight from the bag with water, or, for enhanced performance, pair it with Mapei's additive products. But honestly, even with just water, the bond and finish are excellent. The 10 pounds bag size strikes a nice balance. It's not too bulky for small home improvement jobs but still covers a generous area. If you're doing a bathroom or kitchen remodel, one bag might just be all you need. Now, let's address availability. This product is widely sold online, including on major platforms like Amazon. But one caveat: shipping restrictions may apply depending on your location. So before you hit that checkout button, double-check whether it ships to your area. And that brings us to the verdict. If you're looking for a smooth, high-performance, unsanded grout in a crisp white finish, something that applies cleanly, holds up over time, and doesn't leave you second-guessing your color choice, Mapei Keracolor U in Frost is a winner. It's a pro-level grout that DIYers can trust and professionals swear by. That's it for this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product we should review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.